Quick question. What if everything you believe, everything you're certain about, everything you call reality, is just a shadow on a wall? Not metaphorically, actually. And the worst part? You're comfortable with it. That's Plato's cave. And you're in it. We all are.
2,400 years ago, Plato described a group of people chained inside a cave since birth. Can't move, can't turn around. All they see is a wall. Behind them, a fire. Objects pass in front of it. Shadows appear on the wall. And the prisoners? They think the shadows are real. They name them. They study them. They argue about them. Because they've never seen anything else. Sound familiar? The escape. One prisoner breaks free, turns around, sees the fire, eyes burn, stumbles outside, sees the actual sun, painful, disorienting, nothing like the shadows. But eventually he sees reality as it actually is. And what does he do? Goes back to tell everyone. Enlightenment makes you dangerously optimistic, apparently. Nobody cares. He goes back, tells the prisoners everything. They think he's insane. His eyes don't adjust to the dark anymore. He stumbles, says things that make no sense to them. When he tries to explain that the shadows aren't real, they laugh. Plato literally notes, if they could, they'd kill him, which is exactly what Athens did to Socrates. Philosophy, dangerous hobby, do not recommend. Your shadows. The cave is a metaphor, but for what exactly? Your shadows are everything you accept as reality without questioning where it came from. Your opinions? Shadows, projected by whoever raised you and whatever algorithm feeds you. Your idea of success? Shadow, defined by people you've never met. Your sense of normal? Shadow, built by the specific cave you were born into. None of this means everything is wrong. It means most of it has never been looked at directly. And there's a difference. Ending. So next time you're completely certain about something, ask yourself, is this reality or just the shadow I've been staring at since birth? The cave is real. The chains are real. The shadows are real. The only question is, are you brave enough to turn around? Just don't tell anyone. Athens is still watching.